How to confirm email on Scratch. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can confirm your email on Scratch. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is you'll need to head over to the Scratch website. So simply search for Scratch and head over to its website. It's scratch.mit.edu and then log into your account. So whenever you first log into your account or create an account, your email has not been verified or will not have been confirmed by Scratch or by yourself. So you'll get this option right here that says confirm your email. Now all you have to do is tap on confirm your email right here. Then if you haven't yet received an email, you can tap on resend confirmation email. Then you'll receive an email on the address that you have used to create the account. So right here you can see I've got the confirm your Scratch account option. So tap on this confirm my account. After that it will take you to Scratch right here and you'll have confirmed your email. If you reload this page here, you can see now that the option to confirm it is now gone. And it's basically that easy guys, and that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.